First, let's take a look at the functions of the 8898 soldering station. Use up and down keys to adjust the temperature. The wind speed can be adjusted by pressing the set key to switch the wind speed. The air gun handle automatically works when it is lifted up and automatically sleeps when it is put down. 8898 Pro soldering station has a main switch. The soldering iron and heat gun have independent switches. The up and down keys on the panel can adjust the temperature and wind speed. The air gun handle is not lifted, it is in sleep mode, and the screen shows sleep mode. Press the set button twice to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The set key can also switch the wind speed. Pick up the handle with the nozzle facing downward and it will work automatically. Put the handle back and the heat gun will stop working automatically. Press the up and down keys of the soldering iron or heat gun at the same time to enter the temperature compensation mode. The compensation temperature can be adjusted by the up and down keys. Press and hold the setting button for more than 1.5 seconds to turn on the one-key cooling function, and the screen displays call.